bright morning, the mother duck hatched her eggs. The mommy duck very happy and proud of her duckling. And one of them looked different from others. And no one liked that ugly duckling. And the ugly duckling was very upset. And his brother and sisters also not like him. No one to be the friend of ugly duckling. And the ugly duckling feel very sad. And the ugly duckling decided he left the farm. And one night, ugly duckling flew away. And ugly duckling felt so lonely. And the winter came and the ugly duckling was sick. The man took him his house and take care of him. And when the spring came back, he take him back to the pond. When the ugly duckling sees reflection in the water, he sees the beautiful swan. He is not ugly duckling anymore, he is a beautiful swan. The duck, not ugly duck, has become a beautiful swan. The moral of the story, we should not judge anyone. Thank you.